Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Misfits Market package for July. This is the first one I've gotten in a long time because they've changed the way you get the box. So basically, when you subscribe to Misfits, you choose one of the two boxes. There's the smaller one that is $22 and has like 10-ish pounds of produce that you select. Or there's the larger one, which is what I get. It's $35. It's the Madness box. Now, this is only available in certain states, I'll say that. I do have a 25% off coupon code I'll put down below. FYI, I get 25% off my next box, you get 25% off your next box, or something like that. Or now they've changed the referral program, I don't know, whatever. But now they used to just send you a thing to customize, and if you didn't customize, they just send you a mixture of whatever, right? Now you have to customize or they don't send you a box, which if you are like me, and put things off, that can be an issue. And then I don't get my box. So yeah, that's happened quite a few times. So this is the first one I've gotten in quite a while. And we've also been doing a farmer's market in my town and I've been trying to buy that. You know, whatever. Anyway, let's get in here. So I did select everything in this box. It says summertime grilling, burger fixings up to 48% off. Their store now has everything. They don't just have vegetables and a little bit of other things. It's like all sorts of stuff. Look at this bacon. Ranch applewood smoked bacon. Interesting. Anyway, all of the packaging for this box is recyclable, compostable, or biodegradable. So that's nice. I will say that these bags you're supposed to be able to dump them down your drain. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that. It's a bad idea. I'll tell you that. I tried it. All right. So I don't remember what I picked. So we're going to find out together. Ah, collards. So there's the thing I like about the large box is that there usually are double. So if you have a large family like I do, it's great for, it's a dinner portion. If they just send you one, that's not enough. So collards are delicious if you cook them properly. Just slow cook them with bacon and brown sugar and vinegar, and they're so yummy. All right, here's some asparagus. FYI, asparagus is one of the only vegetables that is always organic. It doesn't help to buy any that says organic on it. All right, it's a little tidbit. I picked some corn because, hey, it's that time of year. So there's 1, 2, cheese and rice, 3, 4, 5, 6 ears of corn. That's awesome. That's a lot. All right, that's perfect. Wonderful. I picked pineapple. My kids love pineapple. This is clearly not quite ripe yet, but that's okay. We'll let it sit for a while. I tried to pick a lot of fruit because my kids are home for the summer and they just go through fruit. So here are limes. There are 3. I love limes. I think they're wonderful. This looks like a pluot because it says pluot. So there are 3 pluots in here. If you have never had them, they're plum, apricot, hybrid fruits. The kids love them. I actually I've never gotten a chance because there's never enough for me. Anyway. Ashley, what are you doing? Okay. Look at those tomatoes. Those do not look like Roma tomatoes, do they? I guess, okay, yeah, I see it now. All right, so there's 4 of those. Boxes are interesting. They used to have those little like containers. All right, here's a giant head of cauliflower. I think I'm the only person in my house that likes cauliflower, but that's okay. A 4th lime. There's usually an even number of everything. As I say that, I'm looking at 3 pairs, but whatever. A big head of red cabbage. I'll use it to make sauerkraut, which I love. 1 grapefruit, which is kind of odd, but okay. I like grapefruit. I used to eat it for breakfast, but now I don't eat breakfast. I started skipping breakfast. I eat within a 9-hour window, so weird but true. That's lonely. There are 3 pears. Everybody in my house loves pears, so those are always a hit. And 1 mango. I forget the kind that this is called. Where's the sticker? There's no sticker. Someone out there will know and let me know down in the comments. I think that's everything. I just want to make sure there's nothing shoved somewhere. But yeah, so for my $35 spend, I get my Roma tomatoes, my pluots, my cabbage, my grapefruit, my 3 pears, my 4 limes, my pineapple, my mango, my 6 ears of corn, my head of cauliflower, my 2 collards, and I believe that is everything. It's an awesome box. If you are a vegetable eater, This is definitely one you're going to want to check out. I do like that they customize it now. For me, it didn't matter so much. I love branching out and trying new things, but I know a lot of people aren't quite the same as me. So, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, I will link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Misfits if you want to check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.